Add banana and condensed milk, and you can make this popsicle without needing a mold. Here, I'm using 3 bananas, and I'll insert a popsicle stick in the middle of them. The banana I'm using here is plantains. I find them easier to use and they are more flavorful. After adding the stick, just completely peel the banana. After repeating the process with all the bananas, let's add them to a box of condensed milk. Add the bananas until you reach the stick. Having done that, remove the excess now. Let's move them to a container with powdered milk. Now coat the bananas really well by passing them through the powdered milk, then press them so it sticks properly. Once that's done, let's move them to a container. Here I have lined it with parchment paper. All we have to do now is take them to the freezer and leave them there until they harden. In the meantime, I have a container with semisweet chocolate. You can melt it in the microwave or in a bain-marie. Mirror, melt it, and then just mix it well. Done that, I transferred the chocolate into a small box and got the already frozen banana and just add it to cover all our popsicle. Done that, guys. Now we just need to pick it up and we're going to move it again to the parchment paper or the container of your choice. Take it to the freezer and wait until it hardens again. Done with that. Just enjoy it. And look here, guys, how this banana popsicle turns out. Amazing, without needing a mold, super quick, easy, and delicious. I hope that you have enjoyed it. This was another little recipe here from the poor man in the kitchen. That strong hug until next time, and thanks.